and buy one of theirs. Open up the market. Very, very well,
yes,
Clarice.
we have capitalism, and we embrace it. We have